Hey again, everybody, it's Mr. Sauer. I want to thank everybody for tuning in, especially to my subscribers and anybody new tuning in. Feel free to like and hit the subscribe button if you like my channel. Subscriptions are free, and you'll always get notified when my newest videos come out. I've got all kinds of different stuff on my channel. Feel free to check it out. Granted, most of my channel is 18 and older, or wherever you're at in the country, or the world, I should say. But today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video for the 6-inch smart controller Hon Guan fan. This is a 345 cubic feet a minute fan. It's a 19.2 watt low power, low noise fan. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it open here for you real quick. Show you what to expect upon getting one. Okay, so as you can see, it was packed very securely, which is a good thing. Comes with the warranty card, user manual, obviously, some screws and anchors, and I'm guessing this would be the smart controller, which also has its own manual. As you can see, you get the wire and the smart controller. And then for the rest of it, you can see this is the actual fan. It's like a little turbine engine. But yeah, that is basically the unboxing for the 6-inch fan. I still need to go get some ductwork and stuff and do some insulation on this, but that is where we're at right now. So again, I want to thank everybody for watching, checking out my videos. Like I said, this is just a little sponsored gift that they had given me. I'm going to add it to one of my grow rooms, and I'm going to go for there. So thank you again, everybody. I really do appreciate all the support, and I will see you on the next one.